Galeon is the most innovative brand in the industry, driving a lot of different trends. One of the most interesting things with the relationship that the owners at Galeon and Tony Castro have is, and this has evolved over 20 years, there's not a single thing that we can basically, Galeon can say to Tony and he say, impossible, can't be done, right? That doesn't exist. We're limited by the imagination. We talk about vertical integration and we talk about vertical innovation. And a lot of boat builders are restricted by products that are available on the market. Galeon's saying, hey, we want to do this. And they say, okay, well, it's going to affect that or it's going to affect this, but all right, how can we make it work? And where are the compromise points? And then you talk to customers and you go on a 375 GTO, for example, and there's no compromises. They're blown away by the result of that collaboration. When you look at the folding balconies and what we call our beach mode, you fold the balconies down, you flip the bar up, and you're ready for entertainment. If your boat happens to have a fly bridge, the fly bridge was maximized using carbon materials, high-tech materials, to maximize the space, the width. If you look at our 800 fly, our 640 fly, our 680 fly, these boats have massive fly bridges, and that's all for entertaining. It's really the innovative driven entertainment platforms, really, because the 640 fly, for example, has an opening front windshield that allows you to walk right up to the bow, and there's an entertainment space there. There's an entertainment space in the cockpit. There's an entertainment space on the bridge. So if you're looking for a boat to entertain on, Galeon Yachts is the best.